It's a great pleasure to be back again in the Victor Hospital. Some few days back I attended one more some function. Whenever there is some function they call me. And today it's a great function because my good friend Ikit was former parliamentarian is here. We have Mrs. Albuquerque, we have Johanna Costa, Mrs. Then Dr. Gundi Rao, and friends. I still remember when I was the Chief Minister, we had inaugurated similar type of camp association with Dr. Captain Nair of Sila, and Amitabh Bachchan also had come to be one of the guests. Now this is the same I think type of camp which we are organized in our friend it was takes keen interest in all the diabetes is considered the root cause of all the problems. It can affect your kidneys, it can affect your eyesight, it can affect your heart, it can affect your lots of organs in the body. So to eliminate diabetes, lots of such camps are organized. They teach the patients how to they advise the people also what precaution, what care should be taken. And Apollo, your Victor Hospital is very famous because they have been doing lots of social work in this field. In fact, Victor was a good friend of mine. I always say that it was his initiative during those days that he ventured into something which he was not aware whether it will succeed or not. He took lots of loans from consortium of bank, and he was the first person to start such a special hospital in Goa where cardiac things can be solved. You had angiography, angioplasty could be done here. Otherwise, the system was that you admit a patient for 4-5 days and then take him to Bangalore or Bombay or anything. So this is credit of being pioneer in the health sector in the state of Goa, in private sector. It goes to Victor Albuquerque, and he did it well, and even now they are doing well. I congratulate Mr. Albuquerque for having done this and kept the tradition which Victor had started. Whether she, Varun, they full-heartedly support all the social causes. And I am always there, one or the other camp is always organized here. And they participate in everything. They patients also, poor patients also are given attention. That is the main thing. And I hope this camp will make a lots of improvement in the health sector. I congratulate our friend who has come all the way from London. He has come today only, and for having participated in this medical camp.
Just going to say thank you because my dear friend Dr. Malbhat has actually said it all. He's given you the diagnosis and he's given you the cure. So I don't have to say much about the medical part of diabetes. It's so good to see here today Sushila Mendes, one of our trustees, Dr. Rosanna Costa, Rogi Raj, Kamath, of course, former Chief Minister, your MLA, Mrs. Albuquerque, and Murli Rao. A shout out also to Diptraj for the work that he's done. Silver Star's home is Goa because we are so worried about the high level of diabetes in this, the most beautiful state in India. And this centre, dedicated to diabetes, is, I believe, one of the best in the whole world. That is why there are so many people from the United Kingdom who, although they come on holiday here or to see relatives, always come to the Victor Apollo to have their tests. And that is a credit to Dr. Rao, Dr. Costa, the amazing team of doctors and nurses and paramedics who are here to help you. I always come and have my test here. Actually, the last test I had, my full health survey, I turned to the doctor. She said to me, "You are fine," she said. "Everything is wonderful." So like all ex-politicians, I say, well, how long have I got to live? And she said, till you're 95. Now that's quite a long time. You, as a serving politician, one of the most distinguished chief ministers we've had in the state, you know how important healthcare is. And I want to thank you, not just for what you do today, but for that great day in the Hyundai car park where 3,000 people turned up to see, obviously they came to see you and me, but Amitabh Bachchan was there as well. So maybe they came to see him, I'm sure they did. And he launched a bus which was named after him, and it served the local people, and I think that it was a very good forerunner of what we have to do. The more we can prevent diabetes, 3 quick things: eat before 9 o'clock, preferably before 8 o'clock. Eat early, eat lots of vegetables, make sure you drink lots of water, and keep away from the bibinka, okay, only once a week, because it's not too much sugar. So thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Rao and your team. I hope that we have a good camp. I'm going to have a test. I know you're very busy and therefore you can't have another test, but I hope it's a very successful camp. We've only got this bit of Silver Star branding. I'm going to ask the Chief Minister and Mrs. Albuquerque to put your hands on it, and also Mr. Rao, Dr. Rao and Rosanna, whoever. It's only a small t-shirt because I want everyone to become a medium.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.